Mostly we can say mostly women's thyroid, it will be cured. And I am saying within 3 months, we reduce the medicine. If cancer people do, both are like a brother and the husband wife, both breathing and mind.
Hari Om Guruji.
Hari Om.
But you also in your therapeutic yoga, you tell about food also, but only with
No,
the
I
yoga.
I don't tell about food.
Only with therapeutic yoga with props and
Yeah.
all.
But
Okay.
if you are a diabetic patient, Kaveri, you know what kind of food we should have. I'm not talking, and people are not sincere about the food.
So there's no restrictions for food also.
I'm
right?
not doing restriction. If you are there obey, I'm saying you must be concentrate
That's
your
it.
food. Otherwise not.
But there's no relation to therapeutic yoga and food, right?
There are two things. One, if I'm diabetic patient, rasgulla not good. Gulab jamun not good.
Yeah, we know that. Huh?
Take a treatment with me and have a rasgulla at home, the diabetes will not cure.
Yeah.
So we need the precautions, but after cure the problem, you can have a lot. So we are at, suppose we have a blood pressure. So we no need to too much spicy food. Yes, everybody know about that.
So can we please know what type of chronic diseases that can cure under therapeutic yoga? So like diabetes and all.
Diabetes, BP, and nowadays one problems going on like you, Kaveri, PCOD.
PCOD.
And
Many women are facing PCOD.
Or I'm 100% sure within 4 to 5 months it will be cured.
I think this will be a golden chance for all the people, you know, who are facing with
And
all those
nowadays,
hormonal issues.
one is mostly thyroid.
Yeah, thyroid.
Mostly we can say mostly women's thyroid, it will be cured. And I am saying within 3 months, we reduce the medicine with 25 mg. Suppose people are coming with me, okay, I have got thyroid, I am asking how many thyroxine, how much they are having. So we are saying, okay, 3 months, 25 mg, reduce with reports.
Okay.
No, okay, we are saying, okay, it's no. Every 6 months, 50, 1 year, correction. And there are no rush.
Okay.
And also paralysis.
Okay.
We have wonderful results in paralysis and osteoarthritis and silk breaks. There's all kind of problems we are handling
Okay.
through medical yoga.
I think almost many of the chronic diseases are covered here.
Even initial stage of the cancer, I'm not saying cure the cancer, but if cancer people do, what happens with them, stress will reduce, first of all. Second, increase the confidence level. Second, third, मुझे जाना तो है पर we will go with peacefully. Understand? So I'm not saying it will be cured, but it will be managed nicely, because cancer cell will activate if we go inside, the oxygenation will be less. So through medical yoga, we increase the oxygenation. We can say pran, vayu, pran, shakti, vital energy will increase the body through some especially posture. Because cancer patient, they have got less energy also.
Exactly.
And medical yoga, who can't do able to do asanas, they will do support of the posture. They can do 10 minutes, 20 minutes, change the posture. We need to help for other people.
So, Guruji, many of the people, women and men, even from young children, they are facing stress and anxiety. For stress and anxiety also, is there any therapeutic practices?
100%. How many percent?
100%.
Yeah. Mostly I am saying if you go ATM machine, you can't find out the money hand to hand. But after doing yoga, you can feel a difference between hand to hand. Today we don't have time. If we give us just 10 minutes, you feel relaxed within times. So wonderful things in yoga for anxiety and depression and stress. We have got a wonderful treatment. So what I think in this universe, only for yoga can heal mentally. So if I say one, listen, if our breath deeper and longer, what will happen? If our breath deep and long become, our mind become a peace and calm. Both are like a brother and the husband wife, both breathing and mind. So if we do breathing techniques, all breathing techniques are very beneficial for your mind. And especially therapeutic yoga, there are a lot of asanas like Supta Baddha Konasana, Supta Sukhasana. After sitting, within 10 minutes, you are feeling very relaxed and very energetic. This is why these are wonderful things, we can say, pranayama, asana, which stress far from you after doing practicing.
It's like happiness to my ears, because no doctor give 100% assurance, right? Yeah, this is in a positive way and also no side effects. So that's really something interesting.
You know, positive that what I think in my life, on one bhajana, I don't know in Telugu people who know, Sitaram, Sitaram, Sitaram kahiye, jahi vidhi rakhe Ram, tahi vidhi rahiye. We are speaking and we are telling all life, but we are not faithing the God. If I say live happily, it's say very easy, but if you know apply in your life, it's very difficult.
Very hard, yeah.
So what I think in a practice, mostly I am saying one words and all Telugu people listen very nicely. I can't change anybody and yoga change everyone. Understand?
You can't say, change everyone by your words, but
Yeah.
yoga can change them
Itself.
itself. Yeah.
Because you can't change the small child also. But if you do practice in yoga, they can change itself because the power of yoga.
So finally, for our viewers, give some motivation to start yoga right from this video.
I can't give.
Just a little bit.
Okay, how many hours in a day? How many hours in a day?
24.
24. What I think in my life, if we give a 1.5 hours in our body, so others 22 and 22 hours and 30 seconds will enjoy the life.
Huh. If we involve
Yoga.
just 1 hour into yoga,
Yeah,
the rest 20 to 23 hours will be beautiful,
beautiful. Not so much beautiful.
energetic.
Energetic.
Yes.
So physically and
Mentally.
mentally and spiritually. Then first thing, why we are doing any kind of work, you are not happy.
Yeah.
Suppose all viewer, I want to say, suppose I have a diabetes, I can't have a sugar. Suppose I have got BP, I can't have a salt. Just think about a life without sugar, without salt. If you have a food like boiled food, why need to do a lot of hard work in our life? We can, for common people also achieve the boiled vegetables and things.
Yeah.
So I want to say, just give a 1.5 hours yourself, and others time you are enjoy the life, not only physically, mentally and spiritually also. In the yoga, and one very important things I want to say, whole universe, every people's, don't compromise your happiness anyhow, any condition. Compromise everything, not for happiness.
Exactly. So, sorry, I forgot one more thing to ask you. So, many people, not like this chronic diseases and disorders, people face like, inferior, low confident, and some people, if they have acne on their face, they feel so self-esteem. So, for them also, is there any practices in therapeutic yoga to feel, fresh and confident?
100%. That's why I told you already. I can't change anybody in yoga, change everyone. And all lethargy people and who have a lack confidence after doing yoga, simply I want to say, wherever you apply the yoga, they start to bright. They
Shine.
start to shining. So that kind of people also, if you start the yoga, confidence level will be increased, laziness will be, I think, more energetic, and we don't have words.
Exactly. I can say that.
Practice karne se yoga, If I talk, it's not beneficial. If you do practice, you feel differences are there.
Exactly. So, the key takeaway for me is, I've listened all your words, I took into my ears, but finally the positivity you gave me and the energy you gave me is so wonderful to start something from today. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.